channel. Today we'll be opening this package that I got today. I'm pretty sure this is mine because it has my name on it. Well, actually, of course it's mine because it has my name on it. So let's see what I got. I already opened it a couple minutes ago, so.
Well, you opened the big packet.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, look at all of these.
What are you going to do with so many Lego pieces, Jerome?
They're not Legos.
Oh.
They're
bad.
just minifigures. They're
Do you need help?
No, I don't need help. But flooding with creatures. Woo! It's flooding with minifigures. Oh, look at all these minifigures. And I don't even know what series these are.
I don't even know what those are. Period.
They're minifigures.
Minecraft minifigures, but like this guy. Who's he?
That, let me see. That's Steve.
Steve.
And you know what? I'm just gonna open all the gas first. Yeah, that sounds like a good.
Alright, let's see. Which one are we opening first?
The gas. That red gas.
There you go. Oh, this one wasn't even in a bag.
Oh yeah, the skeleton. The skeleton horse. Yeah. So let's open this gas. The weird thing about a gas is that it makes a cat noise. I know, it's weird. Kind of like that. Okay, so this is just red gas. So let's get to an Alex. Let's do an Alex now. Oh, I have an idea. She has a sword, right? Oh no, she has a pickaxe. Now she's riding a skeleton horse.
You gotta cut that.
Okay, so now let's open the Steve. Oh, with a golden armor and a diamond sword. Okay, so that's Steve. That's Steve in golden armor. And he has a diamond sword.
Let me see Steve. Let me show him Steve. What's up? This is the same Steve we saw earlier, huh?
That's the same Steve. Okay, so yeah, this is Steve.
Who's this guy?
Oh, this is just a normal skeleton. Okay, so let's open the normal gas.
Jojo and our Cocomelon.
I hate this. Okay.
What's that one?
This is a normal gas.
Let's see.
Okay, so we got the normal gas.
Joe, you want to go play Coco with Daddy?
Alright, so now we have...
in your room?
So now we have a cave spider. You know, whenever this guy bites you, it actually gives you poison. That's the last we're hearing from Alex. Okay, so now we got two Steves. Weird. Three Steves.
What's this?
This is an Alex in diamond armor.
Oh.
With a golden pickaxe.
Alright.
Let me see that. Oh, this is a red either spider or cave spider.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me try to get him out. Yeah. This is the red spider. And here's the normal cave spider. Oh, let's get this blue skeleton horse.
Alright. Let's see the blue skeleton horns. Yeah. Woo.
Okay, let's open up next. Is this a gas? Yeah, this blue gas. We're having a lot of blue and white stuff. And some red stuff. Alright, so this is the blue gas.
Bam.
Oh, this one's really
Oh, Jerome, what does his mouth look like that?
because he's trying to shoot out a fireball.
Oh, wow.
That's what gas do.
Oh.
And actually, you can deflect them and then they blow up themselves.
Oh.
So this is a zombie burning. For some reason, it's in white fire.
Oh, nice.
And we also have, oh, this one's really good. Cool.
Oh, this one's cool. I've never seen that one before.
It's a burning zombo. Zombo. And this is a blaze. It shoots, it's kind of like the gas, except it has all kinds of blaze rods around it.
Let's see.
And it shoots out fireballs.
So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blaze rods, Jerome.
Yeah. Yeah, they circle all around them. And now we have this blue skeleton.
What does he do? He
Well,
just uses his sword.
Yeah. But usually in Minecraft, skeletons use a bow.
Ah.
And, oh, this one's really cool. It's a mushroom.
Whoa, I've heard of a mushroom.
Yeah. It's like a cow except with mushrooms.
A mushroom. Can you tell he's a mushroom?
Yeah, because he has mushrooms all over his back.
Moo.
And then there's a blue cow somewhere. Oh, he's right there. And now we have a yellow skeleton. Let's see, where's the blue one?
We have a blue skeleton.
Yeah.
He's right there.
Yeah.
And now we've got a yellow skeleton. A blue and a yellow. So this pack, at least it has variety, huh? Yeah.
Okay.
It's not just the same thing repeated over and over.
Well, sometimes it is just a different version.
Yeah, or different colors. So that's variety. It's not
So
the
now
same
we have
exact thing.
So now we have a zombie burning in blue fire right here, and one burning in the normal fire. And that one burning in the white fire somewhere over here.
Wow. Do you want me to show?
Yeah.
Okay. Zombie. Oops, upside down. There you go.
Upside down.
What's this one?
Oh, this is a blaze. For some reason it's tan. Because we already had a blaze.
Right, we sure did.
Okay, this is not a cow. This is a this is a blue mushroom.
Yes, Jojo.
A blue shroom.
A blue mushroom, so it's a blue shroom. Is it really a blue shroom, or did you just call it that?
I just called it that.
That's a good one. A blue shroom.
You say it like moo, and then it ends with shroom.
And it's blue.
Shroom. It's a blue shroom. Okay, now we have only a couple left, actually. We have Alex in diamond armor with a pickaxe.
Okay.
Yeah, here she is. You know what? I'm just gonna open up all the rest of the main characters, Alex and Steve. Okay, and here's another Alex.
Daddy in the video.
Yeah, here's Alex.
You're really absent-minded today, Daddy. What's this one, Jerome?
It's Alex with a diamond pickaxe.
A diamond pickaxe. It looks gold to me.
Oh
not
no,
diamond.
yeah, it's a gold.
I thought so.
And here is a blue blaze. I wonder if it still shoots out fireballs.
I still got, maybe. Cool.
And now we have a white spider.
Go ahead, Daddy. People have already know what you look like.
Yeah, you're already on camera.
He's already on camera. Here we go. One next.
Okay, this is a blue zombie in iron armor.
Blue zombie in iron armor. Yeah.
Okay.
He looks pretty strong.
Uh-huh.
Now I want to see it.
Okay, let's open up all the Steves and minecarts.
Oh, okay. You want me to clear this house for you?
Yeah.
You can only see what's left.
Oh no, some of those.
No, they're all empty.
No.
Ah.
All of
There you
36.
go. You got 36 pieces?
Yeah.
That's insane.
Okay, so wait, are there any more Steves? No, there's. Oh wait, no. Oh no, that's not. Here's a. Oh wait, there's another one more Steve, and these are all the rest of the Steves.
All right. So how many Steves we have left?
We don't have any Steve over here yet.
Okay. So we got this Steve. Is Steve too in a wagon?
Yeah, then
Steve in a wagon.
yeah, in a minecart.
Oh, it's a mine cart, not a wagon.
Mhm.
Oh, Lord.
And it's just in a different color. That's all.
Steve again.
Mhm. And now we have a zombie in iron armor with. We have a zombie in iron armor.
Mm-hmm.
That is teal. I mean, brown. And here's our first squid.
Oh, we finally got a squid.
Yeah.
There's only one squid, huh?
No, there's like 2 more.
Oh, but we haven't opened them yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's. Yes, they're kind of like mutant squids, if you didn't already notice.
Yeah, I probably didn't notice.
They're kind of like pretty much mutant squids. Here's the normal octopus, the normal squid in Minecraft. Here he is.
Mm-hmm. He's just a regular squid.
Uh-huh.
What else we got? What else we got?
Okay, these are our last 5.
Whoa.
So,
So we've
wait.
been to 31.
So this is a red squid. Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
And now we have a yellow zombo.
Yellow Thumbo. Is he in iron armor
Yeah,
too?
in armor. Yeah, most
This
of
is a man learn, buddy.
in iron armor. And now we have a white mushroom. These are
Mushroom.
a moo. Yeah, that's bad. Okay, now we have we've had a red, the normal, and a blue. Why don't we have a red?
Ah.
Why don't we already?
Why not?
Why don't we just get a red? Okay, this is the last one.
All right.
We have a skeleton. That skeleton that I found in that pit of papers.
Whoop. Yes.
Look at all these guys.
Look at all these guys. All 36.
And these are all of them.
You got plans?
Yes, they're all gonna fight to the death. Well, most of them. Most of them are gonna fight. I'm just gonna pick out all of the Steves and Alice's, and then they're gonna fight the horde of zombies. And just all the neutral mobs, I'm just gonna put them all around. I'm gonna put most of the neutral mobs outside of here, and then they're all gonna fight. And I'm just gonna get, yeah. There's another Steve. These skeleton, I have a plan for these skeleton horses.
Yeah, what's that?
It's a secret. You'll see when I set these all up
All right.
to fight.
Joel. Yuck.
You're starting to ruin my video.
Sit. Sit.
Alright, these armies are really getting together. Oh no, I see what their plan is. They're doing putting all the good stuff at last. They're all their best defenses at last. The gas are their best defenses. You can tell because they shoot ginormous fireballs. And the blazes. Those two. Steve, with swords. Steve, stand in front. Alex is get resources.
Whoa.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Attack!
Attack!
Yes, please. Yeah. Something came up, so I could, but I don't know so close. The same person?
No.
Thank you so much.
Fight. Oh.
Thank you so much.
No.
Oh, good. I changed my time. How did you realize what I was doing? Oh, that deal. See, same thing that happened to Carl happened to me. We're just like, leave this out the fact that.
Who's winning, Jerome? Who's winning?
Well, now the Steve and Alex's are.
Oh, wow. Watch out. Here it goes. Oh, no.
You think it's too late to get the tickets?
No, Mega Millions. Run, go get the ticket. No. God. Think then close 9 o'clock. How much money I have? I think it's 9 o'clock. Because when I went to Robert's the other day, they closed at 9 and I was able to buy tickets when I got there. To check. All right, Jerome. So you're gonna continue playing?
And they post. And
All right. Well, Jerome, you wanna?
yep. Well,
Peace
this
out.
is the wrap out of this video.
That's the right thing.
Bye. See you on our next video.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell
Or
to get
the
those
ga-
notifications.
Or this gas will shoot you.
Whoops. See y'all next time.